Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something special for you all. We are diving into the world of iconic Italian motorcycles with a focus on the legendary Moto Guzzi V7, particularly the latest model, the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa. Let's explore its rich history and what makes this new version stand out. The Moto Guzzi V7, known for its unique V-twin engine and classic design, has been an Italian icon for almost 60 years. It's a bike that's much a work of art as it is mode of transportation. Notably, the 1975 Moto Guzzi V7 Sport was a part of the Silver Shotgun exhibit showcasing Italian motorcycle design in the 1970s. Curated by Paul D. Orleans, it's a testament to the timeless appeal of the V7. Fast forward to 2023 and the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa takes a center stage. It made a surprise debut during the Moto Guzzi open house in Italy, leaving fans awestruck. The V7 Stone Corsa brings back the classic sportiness of the V7 with a modern twist. Its sleek design, including a small fairing and cafe racer style saddle, channels the spirit of the racing era's past. One look at the V7 Stone Corsa and you will notice its vibrant two-tone livery metallic grey with the bold red stripes. You can even add a color-matched cowl for the extra racing flair. The equipment package isn't just about the looks, it boosts performance too. Bar end mirrors, a black anodized fuel cap, and special handlebar clamp plate highlight the Corsa's status. Plus, those sleek fork glitters are gone for streamlined look. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, you will find an air-cooled 853cc V-twin engine that delivers around 65 horsepower and 54 pound-feet of torque. Its 6-speed transmission ensures a thrilling ride. With cast wheels, Brembo brakes and ABS, this bike handles like a dream. Safety and technology are top-notch with ABS, traction control and LED lighting. And don't worry about comfort. The seat height, fuel tank size and weight are all just right. Now for the big question is, what's it going to cost you? The 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa is priced at around $9,690 US. It's a small price to pay you for a piece of Italian motorcycle history with a modern twist. That's a wrap on our journey through the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa. Whether you are a seasoned rider or just starting out, this bike combines heritage and innovation in a way that's sure to thrill you. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more adventurous motorcycle updates. And we will catch you in another video. Till then, just ride safe, stay safe.